Hi all, welcome to today's session. In this session, we will be dealing with limits, continuity and differentiation. This is just a continuation of the session 1. If you have not watched the session, get back to the playlist of limits, continuity and differentiation tutorial 1 and watch it and then come back to this. Before getting started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Let's get started. Limit of 2x divided by x minus 3 as x tends to 3 plus. 3 plus refers to from the right hand side. Limit of 2x divided by x minus 3 as x tends to 3 minus. 3 minus refers to from the left hand side. Okay, let's get started with it. So the solution for this is like this. So your left hand limit is equal to limit is x tends to 3 minus 2x divided by x minus 3. When you substitute the value of 3, 2 into 3 divided by 3 minus 3, 6 by 0, which is equal to infinity. Okay, then your right hand limit. Limit as x tends to 3 plus 2x divided by x minus 3 is equal to 2 into 3 divided by 3 minus 3, 6 by 0, 6 by 0, which is equal to infinity. So what can we conclude by this? So your left hand limit is equal to our right hand limit. So after the tutorial 1, we came to a conclusion like if the left hand limit and the right hand limits are equal, then we can tell the function is continuous. Yes. So hopefully you have understood the concept taught in this video. In our next video, we will be discussing about the next segment of tutorial 1. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you have liked this video, please click on the thumbs up button. Please do share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.